Hello, good morning, ma. Good morning, sir. Welcome to this software demonstration on how you can now stay anywhere that you are and be able to monitor and run your business, your shop, your factory, your company from anywhere that you are and be able to track the sales in your shop, track the cash that's in your shop, track the stock in your shop, the purchases, expenses, profits, etc. all on your phone from anywhere that you are, whether you are in the shop or not, even from home, without depending on manipulated figures from employees. And you finally take back your business from your employees and become fully in charge of your business anywhere you are, and turn the table and become the one telling your employees and managers the sales that they have done for the day, the cash in the shop, the money in the POS, the current stock of goods in your shop, and the cash and money they should remit to you at close of business, thus blocking every leakage, theft, and losses in your business that were going on in your shop without noticing because you were managing your business manually. So, how do we achieve this? First thing first, we are going to upload all the products in your shop onto the software, and you will start using the software to sell and record all transactions that take place in the business, in the shop. You record the purchases, you record the expenses, all transactions. That way, you would be able to stay anywhere that you are and you know the sales taking place in your business, in your shop. You know the cash in your shop, you know the stock of products in your shop at any point in time. You know the purchases, you know the expenses, you know your profit, you know products that are about finishing in your business, you know products that are about expiring. You'll be able to know the customers that are owing you so that you can follow up and get your money. You'll be able to print invoice, print receipts for your customers. You'll be able to know top performing products in your business so that you can channel your money to products that are really giving you profit, to maximize profit. You would be able to have a database of the names and phone numbers of your customers and their emails if need be, so that you would be able to send business broadcast messages or bulk SMS to your customers, informing them of product offers, the new offers that you have, the new businesses you have, the new products you have, and they will be able to stay anywhere and make payment through the product link, and the money will enter your account even without visiting your shop. So you have so much benefits of this software. So which software is this? We want to introduce you to the software that is called ProKeep. ProKeep is an all-in-one business management software that is very rich, in features, but very cheap. ProKeep integrates the accounting software into the platform. ProKeep integrates the stock management or inventory management software. You have the human resources management software integrated to it. You have the customer relationship management software integrated to it. You have the banking software integrated to it. So many features on the software integrated into one platform. You don't need to be buying the different softwares differently from different platforms. So, like we said, before you can enjoy the benefit of being able to stay anywhere, to be able to monitor your business and run your business like you were physically present in the shop, we need to upload the products and the stock onto the system and use the system to start selling. So when you come on board, you'll be created on the platform. Your account will be created on the platform. You'll be given your username and password as the business owner and as the admin of the business. We also give the username, also create your cashier and give him the username and password so that everything that's done on the system is traceable to who did what, and whatever permission you don't want your cashier to be able to execute or access, there's room in the system for us to disable that permission so that you alone as the business owner can be the one performing all transactions, and your cashier or users will have restrictions according to what you want. So you'll be given your username, and then what you need to do is to go to your Chrome browser and you type app.prokeep.co. You type that and then you launch. It's going to open the application. So as it is, let's log into the demo platform. You can see this platform, this software is a cloud-based software which you can log in anywhere you are so long as you have your device. So even if your computer is crashed, you can log into any device and still have your data and information intact. And the software is very easy to use, as easy as ABC. We also have the offline version that you can use without internet data. So when you log into the platform, this is the dashboard where you see the demo business name. That's where your business name will be. So we want to demonstrate to you all the features that you have in Prokeep so that you know how rich it is and it has what you are looking for. So to add products and to add stock to your products, you go to the menu and you click on products and services. So you click on add new and click on products. So There are two types of products. The products that you can manage stock, that's countable products, products that you can count. That's the reason you have the manage stock button toggled on. If you don't want to manage stock like a service product, you can toggle off the manage stock button to list your service products. Then, so this is the page to add your products. So the system is so simple. What you basically do on this software is simply to fill the form, just like we fill JAM form, or we fill WAEC form, or we fill Google form, or any other form online. It's as simple as that. Simply supply the information the system needs, moving from top to bottom, left to right. So to add products, the system is asking us to key in the name of the product. So let's say the product name is test product. So you need to name the product in a unique way such that any other person will not be in doubt as to which product it is. So the next thing the system is asking for is SKU. SKU is stock keeping units. So SKU number is stock keeping unit number. It is the barcode that you find on products. It's the barcode that you find on products. So if you have the barcode scanner, you simply put your cursor where you have SKU and you scan the product. The barcode will be pasted on that field. So for the purpose of this demonstration, I'm using a mobile phone. So I have an app that I want to use to demonstrate the scanning and pasting of the barcode. That's the barcode. I copy it because I'm using a phone. Just want to demonstrate, so I go to the software and then paste the code there. So if you are using a barcode scanner, the system will simply paste the code there for you when you scan the product. So the next thing the system is asking for is product type. We have three types of products. We have the single products, we have the variable products, we have the combo products. So a single product is a product that doesn't have variations. No small, no big, no medium, no red, no blue, no black, no 1 liter, no 2 liters, no 5 liters. So the combo product is while a variable product is a product that has variations: big, small, medium, 1 kg, 5 kg, with different prices. Then we have the combo product. The combo product is combining different products into a package to sell, like we have for Christmas hampers, something like that. So for this product, the test product, let's say it's a single product without variation, so we select single there. So the system is now asking you the unit that you use to sell the product. So if you're selling the product in pieces, you select pieces. If it is carton, bottle, packet, sachet, crates, card, liter, cube, kg, and the rest of them, in cups or plates, bag, bundle, kg, or copy as in books, you select the unit. If you've never listed the unit on the software, you simply click on the plus sign here and then you create that unit. If it is sachet, if that product is measured in sachet, you just create it. But this particular product, let's say it's in pieces, so we allow it to be in pieces. Latest subunit is if you are selling the product in retail and in cartons or whatever. So let me demonstrate that. And we are selling drinks in bottles and in crates. So you select the unit and then you select bottle here, and maybe you also sell the drink in crate of 12. You can select this. Why are we doing this? So that when you want to sell this product, you'll be able to sell it in bottles or sell it in crates. But for the purpose of this demonstration, let us allow it in pieces. Category, you select the category of the products. There are some companies that, for example, a hotel that has bar, has the restaurants, has the hotel side selling the same drink. So you can list the product. Oh, this product is in the bar category, or is in the lounge category, is in the restaurant category. So if you are operating 2 business locations or 3 or more, where you have business location, you click it and then you select the location that that product is in. If you are operating one single business location, the business location is automatically selected for you. So the next thing is reorder quantity. Is the quantity that you want the system to notify you that the product is about finishing, so that you can restock. So if you want the system to remind you that your product is about finishing, when you have finished selling everything, you can put 0 there. Or if it is 5, you can put 5. When you sell the product and it remains 5, the system will notify you that the product is about finishing, so that you can restock. We have the warranty. This one is for people that sell products that have warranty, like the solar businesses. The next one is product image. So this one is optional, but if you want it, you can upload the image of the product. So what you do is you click on that product image button and you click on your camera if you are using phone, and you can snap the product and upload it. So product description is the next. That's optional. If you have anything, you can put there, but it's optional. Then enable IMEI. If you are selling a product that has to do with IMEI number or serial number like the mobile phone, you can put it there. Then you have rack, row, and position. This one is for you to be able to position the product where it is for easier retrieval. You can put the rack number, the row number, and the position of the product for those operating big supermarkets or people that have counters. The next thing the software is asking you for is the purchase price as the unit cost price of the product. So how much are you buying the product for one piece? For example, the product contains 10 in a carton. You bought it 5,000 naira. So 5,000 naira divided by 10 will give you 500 naira. So that is the unit cost of that product. So you put 500 naira here. And how much are you selling the product? You put the price that you are selling your product. Then, if you sell the product in wholesale also, you click on save and add group prices so that you can put the price for wholesale. So let's say you are selling it, the selling price is 1,000, maybe wholesale is 700. You can put it. Then the next thing is to click save and add stock so that we can add stock. So this is where you count the number of, this is where you count the quantity of the products in the shop, and then you put the number here. Let's say you have 10 in the shop. You put the quantity there and click elsewhere for the system to calculate. Whenever you key in any number into the system, you click elsewhere, click a blank space for the system to calculate. So if the product is a product that has expiry date, you can click on expiry date here, and then you put the date in. Date is date of listing of that product. If you have notes, you can put, it's optional. And see the system has calculated the total cost price for 10 pieces of the test product. So this is the end of creating a product and adding stock. So what you need to do is to click on save. You click on save. So products and services is where you have all the products in your shop listed. So you go to the menu, products and services. Let us go and see if we can find the product that we have listed. So you will have so many products listed on your account. So you have so many products listed on your accounts. So to be able to find the products you have added or any product at all at any time, you go to the search bar and you type the name of the product, test product. It will bring it up, to bring the product up. You can see that we have current stock 10 pieces. Or if you don't search with the name of the product, you can search with the barcode number, and search with the barcode number. It will bring up the product. We made a mistake here in the selling price. And see, purchase price is 500, selling price, I made a mistake here and put 100 instead of 1000. So let us go and correct that. So this is 1000 naira. So updates. Okay, let's search for the products again. We have corrected the selling price to 1000 naira. Okay, you can see how the product is listed here. You have the SKU number there, you have the name of the product, you have the location that the product is, you have the unit cost price, you have the selling price, and you have the current stock and the brand. We forgot to add the brand. So we have been able to add the product and the stock. So the next thing to do is to use the system to sell the products, so that as you're selling the products, the system will be updating to the current stock. For example, as we have 10, if we sell one, the system will update the current stock to 9. So how do we sell products on the software? So to sell any product on the software, what you need to do is you simply click on this button, this POS button. So let's say this is the interface to sell products. So let's say Mr. XYZ has come to buy from your shop, has come to buy test products from your shop. So just the same way that you write the name of your customer, phone number on your invoice, you click on the plus sign attached to working customer to capture the name of the customer. If the customer is an individual, you select individual. If the customer is a business, you select business and put the name of the business, maybe ABC Limited. So let's say the customer is an individual, Mr. XYZ. So you come here, put XYZ has come to buy. You can put the surname if you know. Then phone number is compulsory. You can put any number for it to go, or put the phone number of the customer. But for the purpose of this demonstration, let's just put any number. So if you like, you can put the email of the customer, date of birth. Those ones are optional. Then you can click on more information to see other information of the customer. You can add the tax number, opening balance, the address, the city, the state, country, zip code. But for the purpose of this demonstration, let's just stop at the name and the phone number. So you click on save. Okay, you can see the name of the customer is stored there. And next time that Mr. XYZ comes to buy from you, you do not add him again. You simply click on this field and then type the name of the customer, and then to bring it up. So the next one is you need to bring up the product the customer is buying. So you click on that space and you type the first 3 letters of the product's name. The system will bring up the product. You can see test products, or if you have your barcode scanner, you place the cursor here and then you scan the products, and the system will paste the barcode number here and will bring up the products. So if you are selling in retail, you have default selling price there for retail, and then if you are selling in wholesale, you can use the wholesale to get the wholesale price. For the purpose of this demonstration, let us work with the retail price. Then the date of transaction is already there. You can backdate or forward dates. Then you put the quantity that the customer is buying. So when you have quantity, you can use the plus sign to change to the quantity the customer is buying, or you can click on the middle, click on the number, and you put the quantity. Let's say the customer is buying 2, click on put 2 there and click a blank space for a system to calculate. The unit is in pieces, so you select that. You are selling in carton of 10, select that. But we are selling in pieces. So you scroll up. If you are giving discount to the customer, you can click on the discount button and you select the type of discount. If it is fixed, you can put the discount there. If it's 100 naira, put the discount there and click on update. So if you are giving percentage discount, click on percentage and put the percentage discount, maybe 20%, and update it to alter this total amount, taking consideration of the discount. Then how is the customer paying you for this product? If the customer is paying you by cash, you click on cash. The customer is paying you by bank transfer, you click on multiple pay. Or if the customer is paying you by POS, you click on multiple pay. If you are selling on credit to the customer, you click on credit sale. Or if you want to send a quotation to the customer, you click on quotation. So for this first one, let us demonstrate that the customer is buying via cash. So you click on cash. So that sale has been recorded. So to see the sale that you have recorded, you can go back. And go back, click on the menu button, go to POS sales. That's where you will see all your sales listed. The most recent one is the one at the top. So you can see the sale that we have just done. You see the invoice number, the date of transaction, the customer that bought from us, the payment status, if the customer has made payments or not, the total amount, 2,000 naira paid, and the number of items bought. So you can also download the receipts and send it to you click on the action button here, these three dots against the transaction, and you will see download PDF. So you can download this transaction on PDF and then forward it to your customer. Forward it to your customer. So you can see the receipts. Your business logo is there, your business name is there, business address, phone number, email, whatever. The name of the customer that bought, the invoice number, his phone number, the date of transaction, the product he bought, and the quantity, the total amount, how he made payments, cash, 2,000 naira, and the barcode of the transaction. So you can also click this transaction to see the details, the invoice details, show you the products, the quantity, the amounts, or whatnot, all the details of the transaction, and the staff that added the transaction. You can see everything. Okay, so that's how to sell by cash. So let's demonstrate how you can sell on the system by POS. So let's go back, click on POS. Let's say we are selling to the same customer, XYZ. XYZ has come back to buy. That product, tests products, bring it up, and then let's say he has bought one and he's paying by POS. So you go to multiple pay, and where you have payment method, you click on cash, and then you select the POS that the customer used to make payment. So let's say the customer used Money Points POS in your shop. So you go to POS card payments, Money Points. Immediately you select the payment method as POS or whatever. The system is going to automatically select the payment account. So you can put payment notes, and then you finalize. Click on finalize. Okay, so the system will generate the receipt, and if your device is attached to a printer, you can print the transaction out. This is the receipts. You can print out just the way a POS terminal will print out, and you cut it up and give to your customer. Let me show you something, because I want to show you something. The payment account. All those monies are going to the account that you are selecting. So let's go to payment accounts. Click on menu and then click on payment accounts. These are your business accounts. You have the cash accounts, the POS accounts, and purchases/expense accounts. Let's check the balance on our cash accounts. You will see that we made a sale of 2,000 naira by cash into the cash account. That's why you have this 2,000 there. Then let's go to Money Points POS account. We have just made a sale of 1,000 naira into the Money Point account. So whatever you sell, it goes to the particular account that you nominate during recording of the transaction for accounts balancing and accounts reconciliation purposes. So let's go back and sell when the customer pays you by cash and by POS or by bank transfer. There are instances like that the customer pays you by cash and by POS, by cash or by bank transfer. So to sell, you click on POS button. So this time around, let's say you don't know the customer, you've not captured the name of the customer, it's just a walk-in customer. So when you have walk-in, you allow it to be there because you don't know the name of the customer, you don't know the phone number. We call them walk-in customers. A walk-in customer is coming to buy 3 pieces of test products. 3 pieces of test products. So 3 pieces. That's 3,000 naira, and the customer is paying you 1,000 naira by cash, then 2,000 naira by bank transfer. So you scroll up, you click on multiple pay. Click on multiple pay. Then by default, the payment method is at cash. So the customer is paying you 1,000 naira by cash. You change the amount there to 1,000. The payment method is cash and the payment account cash account. So if you scroll up, you see that there's a balance of 2,000 naira remaining. You need to record that 2,000 naira. So how do you achieve that? You click on add payment row. The system will calculate the balance of 2,000. All you need to do is select the payment method. Remember we said the customer is buying by bank transfer to your money points POS. So you select bank transfer, money points POS. Automatically the payment account, which is money points POS account, will be selected. And if you scroll down, you can see that the balance due is 0. That means you've captured the whole 3,000 naira amount. So you can finalize. And 1,000 naira will be credited to the cash account. And then 2,000 naira will go to money point POS account. So click on finalize. The system will generate the receipts and you can print it and give it to the customer, or you can download it and forward it to the customer. Now, we also have a situation that the customer comes. Okay, let me show you something. As you are selling, the system is updating the stock. So let's go to products and services and see how many we have remaining. So we can bring up the products test. We scroll. You can see we have 4 remaining. We've already sold 6. We've sold 3, sold 1, and sold 2. That's 6. That's why you have 4 remaining. Okay. We also have instances that the customer comes to buy on credit from you. So how do you record credit sales on the platform? So to sell, you always click on the POS button. Let's say Mr. BED has come to buy product from you on credit. Now you cannot sell your product to a stranger. You need to create the customer on the platform. You need to capture the name of the customer and the phone number on the platform so that you will be able to follow up and collect your money. So first thing first, before you can sell on credit to any customer, you need to capture the customer's name and phone number and maybe address on a platform. So Mr. BED has come to buy on credit. You go to this plus sign and then you capture the name of the customer, capture the phone number of the customer. If need be, you can capture the address of the customer's city. So you save. You can see Mr. BED is captured on the system. So you bring up the product that he wants to buy. We are using test products here. He wants to buy one piece of the product on credit. Please don't forget, let me show you some. You can add as many products as possible at a time and sell all. I want to show you how it looks like. You can add as many as many products the customer wants as possible. But for the purpose of this demonstration, we are using one here. So Mr. BED has come to buy on credit, so you scroll up, you will see the credit sell button and you click on it, credit sell. It's recorded and the receipt is generated. You can print it out and give to the customer. So let's go and check our debtors list. So let's go out. So as the business owner, you can go to your dashboard and you will see the customers owing you. You will see the customers owing you. You click on dashboard, you see the customers owing you. So you will see, if you go to your dashboard, you scroll up, you will see your debtors list, and you will see Mr. BED. You will see all the customers owing you. You will see due there. Some of them are the payments are overdue. So you will see Mr. BED there owing you 1,000 naira. So you will see all your customers owing you listed here where you have debtors lists. So you will be able to follow up and get your money back. So let's assume that Mr. BED has come back to pay part of his debts. So you go to your debtors list and then to BED, and then you click on this action button. Let's say Mr. BED has come to pay you 700 naira part payment, so you change that to 700. If he pays all the money, just allow it there, 1,000 naira. So how is Mr. BED paying you that money? Is it by cash or is it by POS? Is it by what? Let's say he's paying by cash. Cash account is selected and then you click on save. So you will see that If you go back to your debtors list, you see that 300 naira is still hanging against Mr. BED. 300 naira, and it's showing partial, meaning he has done part payment. So assuming Mr. BED has come to completely pay his money, you go back to your debtors list, go to BED, click on the add payment button, and how is he paying you? By cash. So you select the payment method and the account, and then you save. Then that debt will be completely taken away from Mr. BED. So if you go to your debtors list, you won't see Mr. BED again because he has made payments. So we also have instances that a customer comes to make advance payments for products. So how do we record advance payments? So you have to capture the name and the phone number of the customer that has given you advance payments before you can record the transaction. So let's say Mr. MNO has come to make advance payments for a product, but he has not taken the products away. So first thing first, you have to capture the name and the phone number of the customer before you can record the advance payment. So you go to the menu tab and you go to contacts. That's where you list the names and phone numbers of all your customers. So Mr. MNO, so you can click on add here. Mr. MNO. Mr. MNO has come to give you, and put any number there as his phone number. Has come to give you part payments of 5,000 naira. So you have to capture the name of the customer first by going to contact and adding the customer. Then you click save. Okay, Mr. MNO has come. So you go to your menu and you go to contacts to look for Mr. MNO. So you can go to the search box and type the name of the customer to quickly bring up the customer. This is Mr. MNO. So to record the advance payments of 5,000 naira, you come here. Okay, let's say advance payment of 2,000 naira. So you click on the action button here and you click on pay. And then you record the amount Mr. MNO has given to you as advance payment. He's coming back to buy with the money. How is he giving you the money? Cash or by POS or by bank transfer? You select appropriately, and you always ensure that the payment account is selected. Payment account corresponding to the payment method is always selected. Cash for cash, POS for POS, bank transfer for bank transfer. So you save to add the advance payment given by Mr. MNO. So let's go to Mr. MNO and see if we can see the advance payments. So you bring up Mr. MNO,